When you're recovering from an injury, one of the hardest questions to answer is, should I rest or should I move? The truth is, recovery isn't about choosing one or the other. It's about finding the right balance between the two. Let's start with rest. Rest is essential, especially in the early stages of injury. When tissues are damaged, they need time to repair. Rest allows inflammation to do its job, clearing out damaged cells and setting the stage for healing. Without enough rest, you risk turning a minor injury into a chronic one. Think of rest as giving your body a moment to catch its breath and focus its energy where it's needed most. But here's the thing, too much rest can slow you down. Muscles begin to weaken, joints stiffen, and circulation decreases. Your body is designed to move, and complete immobility can actually delay recovery. That's where movement comes in. Movement, when done safely, stimulates healing. It increases blood flow, bringing oxygen and nutrients to the injured area. Gentle motion helps prevent scar tissue from forming too tightly, keeping your tissues flexible and strong. It also helps your brain and body reconnect, retraining coordination and restoring confidence in movement. The key is controlled, gradual movement. In the early stages, this might mean simple range of motion exercises, light stretching, or low-impact activities like swimming or walking. As your strength and comfort improve, you can reintroduce more challenging movements. The goal isn't to push through pain, it's to move with awareness and intention. So how do you know if you're doing too much or too little? Your body will tell you. Sharp or increasing pain means back off and rest. Mild soreness that eases with movement often means you're on the right track. Listening to your body's feedback is one of the most powerful tools you have for recovery. Rest and movement aren't opposites. They're partners. Rest provides the foundation for healing, and movement builds on that foundation, guiding you back to strength and function. When balanced properly, they create a cycle of recovery that's sustainable and effective. You can support this balance by paying attention to recovery habits outside of exercise, too. Good sleep, proper hydration, and nutritious food all enhance your body's ability to repair. Active recovery days, like yoga, light cycling, or mobility work, are great ways to stay engaged without overloading your body. Remember, recovery is not about rushing back to where you were. It's about rebuilding smarter and stronger. A short period of rest, followed by gradual, mindful movement, often leads to the best long-term results. So instead of asking, should I rest or move, try asking, how can I rest and move in a way that supports healing? Because in the end, recovery isn't a race, it's a rhythm. Learn to trust that rhythm, and your body will thank you for it.